I got monetized on YouTube without any adverts, no viral videos. It's just consistency, strategy, and a few other tools that I use that help me stay visible. So in this video, I'm breaking down exactly what I did step by step, so you can follow the same blueprint even if you are just starting from zero. So we all know that before you get monetized on YouTube, you have to meet some requirements. So now we have to start from basics. The YouTube requirements for monetization: number one, you need 1,000 subscribers. Number two, you need 4,000 watch hour. Then you don't need any community strike, plus you need a linked AdSense account. So all these things you need to meet up with them before you can get monetized on YouTube. It sounds like a big goal, right? So I'm going to break down the strategies that I used that helped me got monetized within just 2 months, within a space of 2 months. This is now my first channel. I have two other channels. The other one is for mukbang, the other one is for YouTube growth, just like this particular channel. This very one is just new. So I'm going to break down what I did that got me monetized within just few months of starting. So the first thing I did, I created a YouTube channel with clear niche about YouTube growth, monetization, and making money online. That's the niche I am into. So another one, I optimized my channel. You need to optimize your channel so that whenever someone clicks or search for anything that is related to your video, it will pop up. It's not only when you post your video that you optimize your channel. You need to optimize your channel, not only videos. So what I mean by optimizing your channel, you need to put a professional picture, that is professional profile picture, professional banner. You need to create a professional bio. If you don't know what to write, you can ask your ChatGPT to help you to write a professional bio, that is SEO friendly bio, that is searchable. As when someone search, they will be able to, your channel will be able to pop up. So all these things was what I did while creating my channel. I didn't just create channel and left it like that. So another thing I did was I planned myself. I had to ask ChatGPT to help me create content ideas for me. So I created the content ideas. From there I post back, I make my videos, kept it, and I posted back to back. I was consistent. I was posting. Initially I started with posting like 2 times a week, but it was not giving me what I needed. I started posting like 3 times. I even increased it to 4 times a week if need be, because I post today, I post Monday, Tuesday I will not post, Wednesday I post, Thursday I will not post, maybe weekend if I have like many this, I can post Saturday and post Sunday again. So in 1 week I normally post like 4 videos that time, because it was a new channel. I need to feed the algorithm so that algorithm will know that this is a new channel and be able to push my video out. So that was what I did. I posted. I was consistent, yeah. And when posting, I made sure my thumbnail it was very clear, as in whenever you are writing on your thumbnail, write on with capital letter, and your facial expression when designing your thumbnail, it counts too. Depending on the title of your video, what you're talking about on the video, it determines how your facial expression is going to be on the thumbnail. So all these things was what I did. And when posting, I also make sure that I put end screen, I put card, hashtag, tags, you know. So after posting all my videos, after optimizing them, and I've finished posting, you see all those my videos that did very well, I will take all those videos and cross promote them, as in the sense that I will go to Instagram reel, I will post them, I will go to my Facebook group, I will post them. From there people will click and come and watch the videos. Even to WhatsApp, I cross post. I used to send. In fact, I worry people. I worry my Facebook group, everywhere, every platform that needs my video to be, I'll push it out. All those things, I got many viewers, many people that kept my channel very busy. So all these things are the ways you can promote your YouTube video. You can go to your Instagram reel, then you can go to your YouTube group, or even on YouTube short. You can make short and direct people back to, maybe you want to do short, you can do your short, then redirect people to the video, to the main video. It's not everything that you say in that short. You just give, maybe you say 5 things that you need to know to start your YouTube channel, how I got monetized. You give them just to tell them, if they want to hear the remaining 3, they should use the link to your main video, so that you redirect them to that, back to your video, so they will go there and watch it. All these things will make your video to be going, because you know short video move faster, that is, it spread faster than your normal videos, and the viewers there, I think they're different from people that watch long-term video. So all these things helped me. And there is one powerful One powerful, let's say powerful platform that I used that really helped me. That one catapulted everything over under, let's say under 3 days. Yeah, under the space of 3 days. I'm going to be putting my evidence on my description. Yeah. So I started Restream. I don't know if you have heard of Restream, because some people they say they don't like Restream. Some people they said it worked for them. I'm among the people that said it worked for me. Yeah, Restream, it really worked for me. Yeah, very well. Initially I started posting. I'll go and collect all this stock video. I will put and post it at the end of the day in the morning, because I used to do it in the night. In the morning I will not see any difference, no much people watching it. You understand? So one day I was like, is it not better I use my video? Because I used to hear that if you're doing about, if your channel is all about this and you post and you used to disturb the algorithm, I was like, I'm not going to post that thing again. So I think it's my mukbang channel. I used Restream. I went to one of my videos and edited it to 2 minutes video. So that 2 minutes video I used them, not the video that I use today that I will use tomorrow. So I used the video to Restream, my own personal video that I've posted. I just took 2 minutes of the video, then use it for Restream. It will be play. I made sure I put it on loop so that it will be repeating from morning to night. So the first day I did that Restream, I noticed I have is it 54,000 or 40 something thousand first. The second day I noticed it was 52,000 views or thereabout. The third day I put it again. I went to bed. In the morning I looked, more than 1,000 people are still online watching. I was like, what is happening? So at the time I was forced to end the live video because I needed to go out for school runs in the morning. So I ended the live. When I came back, I checked. Do you know how many hours I got with under a night? 6,000 hours, 271,000 views, 6,000, more than 6,000 hours. I'm not even calculating the ones I did, the one that gave me 50 something thousand views and the one that gave me 40 something thousand views. I'm not even talking about those ones. This was after I have done how many live stream with all these stock images. Those stock images, I will not even advise you to use it, because you don't know the ones that will give you a copyright strike. So use your own videos. You understand? So I got like 271,000 views, and I checked more than 6,000 watch hour. Mamma mia! I was like, shoo, and I've been done it since. So that day, after I ended the live and I saw everything, I was like, I'm not doing live again because I promised myself that after I get monetized, I'm not going to do Restream again. I'll be doing my live, normal live, but not Restream, because now that when the channel was not monetized, I know it might not be a problem, but whenever your channel is, you need to be careful. You need to be extremely careful. So I stopped with the Restream that time. So that was how everything happened. And mind you, why all these things was happening, my subscribers were trooping in. If I tell you the number of subscribers I earned under that one singular night, under one night, hey God, more than 1,000 something, more than 1,000. In fact, everything just gasa. This was after how many months of struggling. At the dying minute, this one just happened. If to say this one happened at the beginning, I would not even be up to 2 months before I get monetized. So these are the strategies I used to get my 4,000 watch hour, more than 4,000 watch hour, and my more than 1,000 subscribers under a night. I'm not calculating the ones that happened before. So you can try Restream, but make sure you use your video. Don't use anybody's video. Don't use any stock image or stock video. Use your video, edit it, maybe 2 minutes video. Then if you don't know how to Restream, just comment Restream on the comment section, and I'm going to show you step by step on how to do Restream, so that you know what to do and how to go about it. For me, it worked for me, and I pray that anyone that watched this video and do the Restream, it will work for you in Jesus' name. Amen. So for you to run a successful YouTube channel, there are some things that you need to avoid. You need to avoid them. Number one, sub for sub. You need to run away from sub for sub. It doesn't help, because those people that you are subbing, they are not even interested in your videos. They will not engage. Instead, you're killing your videos, you're killing your channel, and you're killing the algorithm. So you need to run away from sub for sub. Then buying of subscribers, views, or engagement, it does not work. You don't even need to go there. Then no copying of you don't have to copy all these famous YouTubers or big YouTubers. You don't have to copy them or post their videos to your channel. It will kill your channel and your algorithm. So all these things, you need to avoid them. Just focus on growth and build your audience value. That is the only thing you need to do. So if you're just starting up your YouTube channel now, I just want you to know that monetization is possible in 2 months or even less than 2 months. Because I used to see people say that they monetize within 7 days, they monetize within 3 days. It's possible because everybody's grace differs. I know it's not easy, but it's possible. Yeah, you just need the right content, the right tools, with the right mindset. You just need the right mindset to start up. But everything is achievable, everything is possible. Just stick to a schedule, stay focused on helping your audience, and don't chase trends you don't care about. Don't just chase whatever you see. This one is trending, you just carry it back to your channel, even when what is trending is not even related to your niche. Instead, you're fighting with your algorithm. So don't do that. Don't chase, just focus. Keep your head ahead. Know what your channel is all about. If you lack content idea, your TubeBuddy is there, your video IQ is there, or your AI tools is there too, your ChatGPT, DeepSeek, all these ones. You can go and ask your question, or you can even go to your YouTube search bar and search for trending topics within your niche. You can hop in on any trending topic within your niche, not outside your niche. So all these ones, they are okay. So if you find this video interesting, if you know that I've impacted something in you while watching this video, all I want you to do is to give this video a thumbs up. And please, if today is the first day you're watching my video, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.